Lanser Flash Center is a landslide disaster control center that acts as a center for monitoring, data collection, and providing emergency first aid in the event of this disaster.
Hey Aiman, what's wrong? I was reading the newspaper today and I am very worried about the risk of the landslide that often occur in our country.
Our country still does not have a landslide disaster control center that will monitor everything for us. We are in the need of a control center that was erosion resistant, safe, and functional.
Yup, has happened on the Kara highway recently. There is no early warning system that provides accurate information about the risks that are about to occur. It was also slow to arrive due to the closure of the main routes.
You know what? Why not? We design a project that can give benefits to our country by reducing the risk of landslide. So, we need to produce a landslide disaster control center that is safe, functional, and resistant to tremors or erosion. Secondly, we will produce a monitoring center that can collect all data according to the level of landslide disasters. Lastly, we can produce a temporary evacuation center for victims of landslides before full assistance is received.
It's a great idea. If we go with this project, our scope is with the addition of innovations in the infrastructure of a control center. Next, by innovating the erosion detection system and early warning system for a landslide. Finally, we may produce a monitoring robot that functions as an emergency first aid robot for the victims.
We have used the existing knowledge to further enhance of the advanced landslide disaster control center. With one way to reduce the vibration is to use base isolation and high ducting rubber bearings, which is one of the available base isolations. Also, this project has three sensors, namely humidity, vibration, and ultrasonic, which will be connected to Arduino. The hardware part contains sensors that give their output to the control of the IoT application platforms and is displayed on the computers as LCD via a Wi-Fi module called software. Data can also be displayed to an Android phone via the Wi-Fi provider. We go through to the coding and installation process for automatic Arduino robot. Next, we do coding and installation for landslide warning system. We need to install Play apps in our smartphone to get notification and display from the warning system. We proceed with testing process. This process begins with the use of the base isolator concept for the building infrastructure ability. Next, the movement of the robot using the phone as well as the detector or erosion sensor that will be displayed on the computer screen and our smartphone.
The Lanser Flash Center project is a very important project because our country still does not have a landslide control center. This center can have an impact on the community and the country because it can also reduce accidents and natural disasters. The use of cost-effective landslide early warning sensors is very important in reducing national costs.